Pulkit Gupta is a tech expert and creator. With a deep passion for technology, Pulkit constantly explores the latest advancements in the field. He enjoys diving into coding projects, experimenting with new software, and tinkering with hardware components. Pulkit's creativity and problem-solving skills enable him to come up with innovative solutions and ideas. He actively shares his knowledge and experiences with others, making him an excellent collaborator and mentor. 2. Divyam Agrawal. Divyam Agrawal is a multi-talented individual with a diverse skill set. He is not only a tech enthusiast but also a craft expert and a skilled photo and video editor. Divyam combines his passion for technology with his artistic abilities to create captivating visuals. He has a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of various editing software and tools. Divyam's expertise in crafts adds a unique touch to his work, allowing him to create visually stunning and impactful content. 3. Udhav Mendiretta. Udhav Mendiretta is a highly skilled expert in both robotics and crafts. His passion for these fields is evident in his work. Udhav possesses extensive knowledge and skills in robotics, including programming and building robots. He also excels in various craft forms, ranging from paper crafts to DIY projects. Udhav's ability to blend robotics with his craft expertise enables him to create captivating and interactive art pieces and robotic installations. He shares his knowledge generously, inspiring others to explore the exciting possibilities at the intersection of robotics and crafts.